Chapter 3. Working with Tables in Word. Introduction. A table is a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns. Table is a container that holds information about related items. It is used to display information in an organized and systematic way. Tables can be customized and are useful for various tasks, such as presenting text information and numerical data. MS Word offers a feature of presenting information in tabular form. Creating a table. MS Word facilitates to insert tables into its documents. There are two ways to insert a table in your document. Using Table button. Follow the given steps to insert a table using Table button. 1. Click on Insert tab. 2. Click on Table option from the table group. 3. Select the number of columns and rows you want to insert. Your table will be inserted. Using Insert Table option. To insert a table using Insert Table option, follow the given steps. 1. In the Insert tab. 2. Click on Table option from the table group. 3. Click on Insert Table option. 4. Specify the number of columns and rows in the dialog box. 5. Click on OK button. Two new tabs, Design and Layout, will appear on the ribbon when a table is inserted in the document. These new tabs contain various table tools. Did you know? We can also create a table by clicking on Insert, go to Table, go to Draw Table option. The pointer changes to a pencil. Draw a rectangle to make the table's borders. Then draw lines for columns and rows inside the rectangle. Entering data in a table. Place the cursor in the table cell and type the text. To move to the next adjoining cell, either press the Tab key or press the right arrow key. To move to the previous cell, either press Shift plus Tab key or the left arrow key. Inserting rows and columns. You can add more columns and rows anywhere in your table. Follow the given steps to add rows in a table. 1. Place the cursor in the table where you want to insert a row. 2. Click on Layout tab. 3. Click on Insert Above or Insert Below from Rows and Columns group. An empty row gets inserted in your table. Follow the given steps to add columns to a table. 1. Place the cursor in the table where you want to insert a column. 2. Click on the Layout tab. 3. Click on the Insert Right or Insert Left option from Rows and Columns group. An empty column gets inserted in your table. Deleting rows and columns. Follow the given steps to delete rows from a table. 1. Select the column you want to delete. 2. Click on Layout tab. 3. Click on Delete option from the Rows and Columns group. 4. Click on Delete columns. Similarly, you can delete rows from your table by clicking on Layout tab, go to Delete rows. Did you know? You can also delete rows and columns by selecting the row or column. Right-click the mouse and a menu appears. Select Delete rows or Delete columns. 1. Fill in the blanks.